To join Rainbow Six Siege Discord server, so what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to scroll all the way down, click on Discover. Now from here you're gonna have to go on the search option, and you're gonna have to search up Rainbow Six Siege, click on search, and as you guys can see the first server just came up, so just click on that. Now from here you're gonna have to click on join Rainbow Six Siege, click on start. That should take a while. It should take you to this page right here. Now from here you can choose whatever you want, but I'm gonna just click on next. Now from here, just click on the platform you play on. I'm gonna just click on PC, click on next. What level are you? Just choose your level, click on next. Now from here, you can choose whatever you want, but I'm gonna just click on unrated, click on next. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down, make sure you read all the rules, click on finish. Now it should take a while and you are in the Rainbow Six G server. All you have to do is just click on the check mark right here. But before you do that, you gotta verify your identity by your phone number. So just put in your phone number right here. Then once you do that, you should be good. And you could type, you could play with other people, you could do whatever you want. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.